Hey everybody, if you ask anyone what's the most famous or most popular drink in Mexico, you'll probably get the response of margarita, but that's not the case. Actually, the Paloma is the most popular cocktail in Mexico. And there's a reason for that because, first of all, it's made with really good tequila and Squirt soda, or I should say a pineapple soda. So Squirt, Fresca is popular here in the States, so get some ice in there. It's popular because you could sip it for quite a while. You're not supposed to just glug it down. So we're going to start with some lime juice. Fresh lime juice is probably preferred. About 5 shakes of lime juice. I like the Harris Teeter lime juice. We're going to put in a big pinch of kosher salt. And the tequila, of course. I'm going to do a shot here. Ounce and a half. I like silver tequila, Blanco. I tried this with a Reposado, didn't care for it. I think Reposado has its place, but in the Paloma I'm going to use silver. Then we're going to top it off. This is the easiest squirt to find, is the cans. I buy a 12-pack of that. And that is it. That is the Paloma. Simple, simple, simple. Give that a little stir. So lime juice, salt, grapefruit soda, Squirt, Fresca, and silver tequila. And that is the Paloma. Let me taste this for you. I love it. It's very refreshing, and no wonder it's so popular. So now you know how to make a Paloma cocktail. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody.